It's a beautiful morning. I'm loving it, and we're pretty much gonna cross my favorite bridge again. So, you know, you'll get to hear me cry like a little bitch. But this time we're getting in 360, so maybe, just maybe, we will get to see through the slats this time. Look how beautiful. Sunrise. Not a fucktard in sight. Ooh. When I said my camera fell in a deep river. This is a deep river. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. There's that sound again. The sound I only make when I'm scared. Oh, when I look through the grates. Yeah. No likey. No likey at all. How do you like them apples? How beautiful, the fog, the streaming lights, the mist. And this is why you get up early, kids. This is why you get up early.